All right, I'm super happy. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning right now. So I got back into bowling about exactly a year ago, and this is the very first time that I bought a Bowling World surprise ball or mystery ball. I'm surprised it took me this long to get one. So for $99, I took a chance. I didn't tell them anything about what kind of ball I was looking for. I think that was an extra $10. So I just said, here's my $99 and let's see what kind of ball I get from it. So you're here with me to open this up and see exactly what we get. Super excited. So by the way, there was 3 of us that decided to get a mystery ball. We all said, let's screw it. Let's go do it. Let's take a chance. And one of us got his ball the other day, and he got an Ebonite Crusher, the purple new one, the hybrid, which is a $185 ball for $99. So he's a 14 pound. I'm a 15 pound. I don't know if I'll get the same one. I'd be stoked with anything. So let's find out. This is my very first ball from Bowler's World, mystery ball, or surprise ball, I should say. Let's see what we got. Has to be better than $99. Da, 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 da. What is it? Oh, shit. I actually got what I wanted. Holy moly, I was hoping to get a Hypnotize. Holy crap. Wow. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. $99. That's crazy. I think this ball was $180 online, or $190, I think, actually. This is the same price as the Mesmerize. Wow, this is the brand new one that just came out. It's the hybrid Brunswick Hypnotize. Holy crap. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Yeah, there's no scratches or anything like that on there. The box looks fine. I wonder how they get away with doing that, like just giving good balls out for 99 bucks. You just don't know what you're gonna get. Man, I hit the jackpot. Woo! Hell yeah. I am very stoked. So definitely gonna be buying more mystery balls now. And I think that's probably what they do. If they find out it's your very first mystery ball, they give you a really good ball. But I am super happy, and I think what I'm gonna do is just buy mystery balls from here on out. $99. How can I go wrong? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching or opening that box with me and seeing what I get. And have you got a surprise ball or mystery ball? I know Bowling World offers this. It's called the surprise ball. Bowler's Mart does a mystery ball. Let me know what you got if you have done this yet. And if you haven't, let me know if you're going to do it. I mean, $99, no tax, no shipping or free shipping. Absolutely bonkers. I can't believe that. Anyway, I'm going to have to drill this up pretty soon. I'll make a video of me drilling this up. Heck yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching. That was pretty cool. That was fun. I'll have to do that some more again. All right. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. We'll do more of these, definitely. All right. See you later.